Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by proving ownership and preparing the device. Make sure you can access the account originally used on the phone and charge it above 20% so processes don't fail. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi or mobile data because remote recovery tools require a network. If you can still access any apps or files, back them up now. Factory reset deletes internal data. These steps protect your information and preserve options before moving to account-based recovery. Next, use official account recovery services. For most Android phones, open Google's Find My Device from a browser to locate, lock, or erase the device. Erasing allows you to set it up again. If the device is a Samsung, use Find My Mobile to attempt a remote unlock or backup. Make sure to sign in with the original Google or Samsung account when prompted, because these services authenticate ownership and prevent unauthorized access. If successful, follow on-screen setup steps. As a final measure, perform a factory reset through settings if accessible, or use recovery mode with the phone powered off and the manufacturer's button combination. Remember, this will erase internal storage. After reset, you must sign in with the original Google account during setup to clear factory reset protection. This prevents unauthorized reuse. If you encounter FRP or other locks you cannot resolve, take the device, plus proof of purchase, to an authorized service center so they can verify ownership and help restore access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.